Hi dearest, how are you all doing? How is your day going? So today I'm going to be making another one for that challenge because I'm having orders for that prize. And so I did another brainstorming and this is what I came about. So remember how to make this. This is already ready. Now what I did, I have cut this out and this is 20 inches of stiff crinoline, okay, and this is a yard that's 36 inches of stiff crinoline, but this one is the 1 inch width and this is the 2 inch width. Okay, if you calculate them you'll see that it will come to less than $1. So what I'm going to be doing is the aim actually is to ensure that whatever I make is half $1, so that when I sell I get $1. Do you understand? So that's the whole idea. So all this half $1. So I'm going to be cutting this. This is 20, so I want to cut them into 4 inches. So I'll have up to 5 pieces. I think I went a little bit ahead of my 5-inch. So I'll just fold this into 2. Okay, I want them to be as equal as possible. So lift on it. So okay. So I have 4 inches here. Then this I'm going to be cutting it. This 36. So I decided I'll cut this 6. So I'll have 6 come out. Is there? So 6 inches. Looking as if I cut less than, okay, I think it's okay. It didn't go. So it's just going to be 5. I think that's okay. Now to go and start cutting. So this is less than, this is actually 6 times 5, 30 inches and 20 inches. So let's stick to that. Okay? So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to be, see, I grab them up like this and then like this. Okay, remember what we're doing is for, these are for little kids, not as in girls, but they can still go for adults, you know. You don't have to always have something very large on your head. Sometimes you want something just light and fancy. And you know, these crinolines, they are very light, they have no weight at all, so you're not going to even feel you have it on your head. Okay, so while I go about making this, I'm going to tell you about the membership tier that it's coming up very soon. We're just waiting for YouTube's approval. It's under review now. It may have come up by now, but as I'm making this video, it is not yet out. So you need to check. Now, to become a member of this channel, all you need to do is beside the subscribe button or the subscribe button, that's if you're already subscribed, you'll see subscribed, but if you're not, you see subscribe. So please, if you haven't subscribed yet, click the subscribe button. Alright, so beside either the subscribe or the subscribe button, you're going to see join. Now that join is a separate thing from being a subscriber. It means you are a member, and when you're a member you get some perks. That's what YouTube calls it, some cute perks that are added and some great advantages. Now the number one, of course, is that you help to support the channel. That's what you do. Then I will tell you the levels. Now we have the first level we call the craft enthusiastic. Okay, so you are a supporter of the channel and you're going to pay just $2.99. It will be converted by YouTube to your local currency. I don't know the conversion rate they use, but it is not a normal conversion rate, because when it's in naira, that $2.99 is 450 naira. I wonder the conversion rate. But YouTube, well, at least you're giving us this opportunity, so I thank you all the same. So as I was saying, the first one is $2.99, and what that does is that it gives you first access to any video that I put up. You'll see it first before any other person. Okay, that's when I do put them up on time, if we get them up on time, which has been happening for some time, very early. So you get to see the videos, the YouTube videos early before anybody else. Then also your comments, to attend to your comments first before any other person. Okay, then the next thing is that beside your name you have a special emoji, and then you have not emoji, sorry, badges beside your name. Then also you can use some specific emojis that are available only to you at that level. Okay, now the second level you pay $9.99, and that is, you have everything that the first level, the craft enthusiastic, have. You are the master crafter. You have all that the first level has, and in addition you're going to be having access to videos on my Telegram group, I'll put them up on YouTube, those trainings that you have been seeing, because I got to know that some of you are unable to pay for the trainings because of the accounts are not what you can transfer to in your currency. So I decided to make them available on YouTube. So you pay that amount. It's actually those amounts is monthly, so you can come in, you can leave when you want, as in you can pay this month and next month you decide you don't want to pay, but I would advise you keep on paying. Support the channel as you support yourself. Alright, so that gives you everything, as I said, from the craft enthusiastic, and in addition you have videos that are exclusively only to you that you can watch on YouTube itself. Then for the last one, which is the, what name is it? Okay, probably in my next video I'll tell you the name of that. But the last tier is $29.99, and that gives you everything that the first two level has. In addition to, you will join us in our WhatsApp business training on Telegram. So those are all the levels that we have available. So click the join, select which one you want, and let's keep the channel moving. But if you don't want that, if you still want to join the Defend Craft Academy, which is also a great one, because in the Defend Craft Academy you get to meet other crafters, and we discuss there, you get to see the solutions to issues that they are making requests for. There's also a free training that also will be put up for the Masters Crafter too. You would have that available. So you can also join. So I think I would go off a bit and finish this other ones and come back so the video is not so long. Okay, so let's join the pieces together. So I'll start with the 2 inches first. Just putting it slightly like this here. because of those fibers. Okay, don't saw my hand. Okay. So I'm actually creating on the go. I may not use all of them.